Have you ever wanted to see how your do-it-yourself skills stack up against the professionals? Well, when it comes to painting, I am doing exactly that today. I've come to Sherwin-Williams here in Santee with Debbie from Infinity Painters. Thanks so much for having me out with this. Brad and I are actually having a paint-off today.
Yes, you are.
And I think it's so important what we're going to learn, the difference between what I can do as a homeowner versus what his techniques are as a professional.
Yes, that is true. It's going to be a fun morning.
So talk to me about what it is that we're going to actually do.
So what we did is we put a line across two pieces of drywall, and we just want to see how it looks with a homeowner versus a professional with the taping skills and the cutting in of a straight line.
So it's basically the equivalent of where the wall would meet the ceiling. We drew a line to demarc that so you know where we're trying to cut the paint off. Putting the tape on is its own special skill.
It absolutely is. You'll see that the professional has a little different technique than you do, and just how it works out putting it across the line.
Absolutely. So then it came to the paint, and I'm dipping into my paint jar. Trying to paint in a straight line is exceptionally difficult.
It is. It definitely, and when we do it side by side, watching the two of you pull it together, watching the different techniques and how he starts a little bit lower and builds up to the line, it's going to be a fun morning.
And I love that that's what we're seeing right now. You can see that I'm clearly going a little bit outside the box, no matter how hard I'm trying. But so talk to me about Brad's technique. What is it that he's doing, and why is that the professional technique?
So what you want to do is you want to start a little bit below the line, wherever you're trying to cut in, whether you're trying to get a straight line or you're going up to that ceiling area. You start just below the line and you build up to it, and it gives it a little bit cleaner of a line, and you can build into that straight line. You kind of started at the top and worked down, which I think most homeowners do.
It seemed like the obvious way to go for me was to, you know, when I'm coloring, I want to start at the line and work my way in, and when it comes to paint, that it actually isn't the best way to go. So it's so exciting to learn a real palatable tip that I can take with me, but I can clearly see that the results are significantly straighter on Brad's lines than both of mine.
Yes, yes.
So now that we've taken these tips and given them to homeowners, how can Infinity Painters help everybody out there at home?
What we love to do is come out and bring that professional touch to your paint job in your own home.
And color consultations are included? You guys are able,
absolutely. Sherwin-Williams has been really great with us, allowing us to bring color consultations in, and as we've talked about before, there's products for every need.
And of course, you can come check out paints at the stores, but you want to give Infinity Painters a call or find them at approvedhomepros.com/infinitypaint. Thanks so much for watching. If you liked that video, please comment, like, and subscribe. And when you do, you'll have full access to all of our videos, from full episodes to quick tips covering topics in all areas of home improvement. So hit that subscribe button below for quick and easy access to everything you need to know about your home.